This is an introduction video to a video series about basic Windows Server domain setup and administration tasks. I've started to record this video series after being inspired to do so by others. I recently visited an event full of incredibly skilled technical people across all aspects of computer maintenance, network administration and security. What astonished me was how many people were fluent in Linux, PHP, MySQL and networking, but lacked even what I believe to be the basics of how to troubleshoot, set up or administer Windows-based networks. Whilst at this event, I was sitting in front of a lab network, and I talked to few people through the tasks that I perform every day, such as adding, changing, disabling or resetting user passwords in Windows Server, explaining what group policy is and why I'd want to use it, how Windows processes can be debugged or tracked, especially in the context of unwanted processes, such as an infection or a hack. The people watching were incredibly pleased to learn, and we were all astonished how much understanding they gained in a short period of time. This inspired me to try to make a similar video series for YouTube, with a demo or lab setup from scratch, slowly adding features, computers and settings. This video series won't be released all at once, so you should revisit or subscribe to this YouTube channel if you get to the end of the video series I've produced so far. You may also already know some of the topics, so feel free to skip past some of the videos. I may also go a bit quickly in some, so make sure you use the pause, rewind functions to follow along. Once a video has been published on YouTube, you can't edit it, so any corrections or updates will be in the video description. It's worth reading that if something no longer works or it doesn't make sense. I will read and respond to comments, so if you have any questions or you would like me to cover a topic that I've not covered, please say so. And lastly, if you benefit from this or you find the videos interesting, the best thing you can do to say thanks to me is to subscribe. YouTube seem very keen on judging the success and potential earnings for a channel based on the number of subscribers. I don't mind if you leave the new video notifications switched off, but the subscriber numbers really help.